that was really quite remarkable because it's picking up features that the human eye could not, that a human reader or CT scan could not. So that is one of the most dramatic, I think, features or outcome with AI helping to risk predict patients and to help us initiate treatment early to help them prevent their heart from getting worse. There is a growing importance in computing clinical cardiology, and it actually adds value to existing data that we already have. So
get to push the cutting edge of research, working on things that no one else has done before, or working on things that were released the previous month and trying to improve them. And this can be, something very exciting and rewarding.
This weather research is very active right now, and it's a great area for using AI and machine learning because the models of 20 years ago couldn't possibly deal with these kinds of events.
Support air traffic controllers making these decisions is important to have tools that allow them to understand and predict how different weather events will affect flight operations. Using AI, machine learning models to analyze historical data and then predict if certain the delays that certain scenarios.
This tool began development in an effort to assist air traffic managers in the chaotic and dynamic schedules in a post-COVID world, where flights are subject to frequent changes. So by rapidly converting schedules into tangible workload values, give the managers a rough understanding of how much manpower they might require for the day.
Though we are the best airport in the world, how do we maintain to the best? AI, we believe, offers a wealth of potential. It allows us to now translate some of our tacit knowledge and then digitize it. We can make better decisions and make them faster.
AI can take urban development to a space that is better than ever before. So we need to know whether the kinds of AI-driven technology that we are offering to people actually help improve the people's life, or actually is something that the citizens require or demand. Right? So this is the key million-dollar questions.
Our complexity science and AI-based approach to the study of buildings can be scaled up and be applied to the urban scale as well. This allows for analysis of urban space use and can inform, obviously, future planning and design as well as architectural design. It's the saying, technology is the solution, but what's actually the problem, right? So if you do not have a clear understanding of the problem, any kind of tool, including AI, will be rather useless because you wouldn't know how to synthesize, the various approaches and tools that you have at your disposal to come up with something meaningful.
Uses AI, open AIs to develop and train agents to master the art of playing games without human interventions. And these AIs are trained using real data from the top players around the world. Then the open AI actually beat most of them, hands down. Every single character that moves in that environment the AIs will take that and make thousands of calculations and decide what is the most optimal move.
Over the next decade, you're going to be exposed to so much of the world, you'll discover so much about yourself. And it's competitions like this that really help with that.
Who will be the eventual grand winner for today AI for AI Game Challenge Grab the Cheese? Are you all ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go!
Oh, magic almost hitting the cat. Very, very risky move there.
Intense here.
Takes a sharp turn. Oh, and we got a breakthrough. We got Poggin breaking through. Oh, seems like he's going for the final turn. Oh my. such pog.
So
Look at that.
close.
And he makes a manic
it
dash
gonna win?
and goes for the cheese. Oh. And we have a winner!
Woohoo! Challenge winner is Super Turbo Pogging. Congratulations, guys.